FEELWORLD has always been committed to helping photographers and directors to better complete the shooting. Now, we're going to one step further, coming with new upgrade 7-inch on-camera directing monitor with innovative Sony F970 external install and power kit. 1920 by 1200 resolution and 500 nits brightness provides you clear pictures and rich detail. The full touch screen makes it easy to operate for anyone. The classic Sony F900 external install and power kit can be externally connected and powered for wireless video transmission, simplifying your film equipment, allowing you to move on the set. Professional auxiliary tools can help you better focus, compose, and expose, achieving the field shooting in a simple way. You can load 50 custom 3D LUTs, previewing the post effects on site and restoring the filming look. Now, the only boundaries are your creative imagination and talents. The robust shell are adopted by F7 Pro. A variety of power supply methods can easily cope with different occasions. Standard DC out 8V can connect the dummy battery to charge a DSLR or mirrorless camera. Thanks to the 4K 60Hz HDMI signal input and output, there is no loss in transmission. The image stays super smooth. This is FEELWORLD F7 Pro.